Today's topic, I'm taking fertilization. The process of fusion of sperm with ovum called fertilization. The process of fusion of sperm, male gamete, with ovum, female gamete, called fertilization. Yes, during coitus, after insemination, motile sperm enter in cervix. From cervix come in uterus, and from uterus transfer in ampulla isthmic junction. Are you getting my point? Fertilization take place in ampulla isthmus junction. Okay, listen me. In ovum is surrounded by the membrane called plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Okay. Outside plasma membrane, space is present, is called previtelline. Previtelline space. Okay. And this membrane is called zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. During fertilization, when sperm come in contact with zona pellucida, what happen? Sperm change zona pellucida in corona radiata. Sperm induce changes in zona pellucida. Sperm induce changes in zona pellucida, and what is formed? Corona radiata. So other sperm cannot enter inside ovum. Only one sperm enter in ovum. Are you getting my point? So after, when sperm come in contact with zona pellucida, induce changes in zona pellucida, and what is formed? Corona radiata membrane is formed. So other sperm cannot enter in ovum. Only single sperm enter in ovum, and this layer is called the other sperm cannot enter. Okay, listen me. When sperm enter in ovum, what happen? Sperm acrosome secrete enzyme, hydrolytic enzyme, dissolve zona pellucida and plasma membrane. Acrosome hydrolytic enzyme, are you getting my point? Dissolve plasma membrane and zona pellucida, so sperm enter in ovum. When sperm enter in ovum, second meiotic division take place, and second polar body and ooted form. Ooted fuse with male gamete, and what is formed? Zygote. Now listen me. Ooted combined with male gamete and formed zygote. This is the fertilization process. Now listen me. I taught you fertilization process take place in where? Ampulla isthmus junction. Okay, this is fallopian tube. Okay, infundibulum femori, I already taught you. Ovary. Okay, ampulla junction, wider part of fallopian tube. Isthmus, insemination, sperm move. After insemination, sperm move and enter in cervix. Cervix, this is cervical canal, and come in uterus. Uterus come in fallopian tube. Okay. Fertilization take place between ampulla isthmus junction. Where? Here, ampulla isthmus junction. Fertilization process take place in between ampulla isthmus junction. When sperm and ovum move simultaneously. When sperm come before in ampulla isthmus junction, ovum is here only, fertilization does not take place. Ovum move fast, come here, sperm is not come, fertilization does not take place. So for the fertilization, what is required? Movement of sperm and egg simultaneously. After maturation, ovum free from ovary, called ovulation. What is that? Are you getting my point? Egg free from ovary, called ovulation. Collect by femere and egg come in fallopian tube. And ovum and sperm meet in ampulla isthmus junction. Fertilization process take place, and what is formed, beta? Zygote is formed. You know, zygote is diploid. Now, zygote divide by mitotic division. Are you getting my point? Zygote divide by mitotic division, called cleavage. Mitotic division called cleavage. So, form zygote divide by mitotic division, form 2 cell. 2 to 4 cells are formed. 4 cells are formed. 4 cells are again divided by mitotic division. What is formed? 8 cells are formed. 8 cells are divided. And what is formed? Form 16 cell. 8 cell divide and form the 16 cell. 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cell, 16 cell. 8 to 16 cell stage is called the morula. Are you getting my point? Morula stage. In morula stage, and cell is formed in zygote. These cells are called the blastomere. These cells are called blastomeres. Okay? After formation of morula, again mitotic division take place. Morula change into blastocyst. It change into blastocyst. Blastocyst, enter in uterus. Enter in uterus. Okay, listen me. Blastocyst, in blastocyst, blastomere arranged and form outer layer trophoblast. Outer layer blastomeres are arranged and formed trophoblast layer. Okay, and inner is called inner cell mass. In blastocyst, blastomere arranged form outer wall trophoblast and inner cell mass. blastocysts enter in uterus. You know, uterus में 3 layer, perimetrium outer, myometrium, endometrium. Okay, so trophoblast attach with endometrium. When trophoblast attach with endometrium, endometrium cells divide and cover blastocyst. The cells are divide and cover blastocyst. And now embryo embedded in uterus wall called implantation. Are you getting my point? Blastocysts come in uterus. Trophoblasts attach with inner wall of uterus, endometrium. Endometrium cell divide, cover blastocyst. Are you getting my point? Now it is called implantation. Embryo embedded in the uterus wall, it is called the implantation. After that, after trophoblast cells, trophoblast layer arrange in 2 layer, form 2 layer. Outer layer is called the choroid and inner layer. 2 layer is formed, outer choroid layer and inner layer. Okay, outer choroid layer develop finger-like projections embedded in uterus wall called choroid villi. Choroid layer form finger-like projection attached in uterus wall, endometrium wall, and this is called the choroid villi. Now, special tissue develop between uterus wall and embryo called placenta beta. What is the work of placenta? Supply oxygen, help in respiration, supply O2, remove CO2, waste material, and placenta also act as endocrine gland. You know about the endocrine gland? Are you getting my point? Means secret hormone. Which hormone secreted by placenta? HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophin. HPL, human placental lactogen, or estrogen progesterone level, estrogen and progesterone, or during pregnancy, estrogen progesterone. After later pregnancy, relaxin hormone is also secreted by placenta. Relaxin hormone, HCG, HPL, hormone secreted by placenta, or during pregnancy, estrogen, progesterone, or thyroxine, prolactin hormone. These all hormones are increased in level for proper development of embryo. Okay, next topic I will take tomorrow.